There it is. Bird got it. Good one. Coming off. You want to got it yet?
Show it. Show it like
Those pieces you're wasting. Huh? Hey, get away from me.
He's fat. Look at this.
All right, guys. I'm just gonna go turn on the show music. You guys kind of hang tight, okay? I'll be right back. You guys don't go anywhere, okay? Stay right here. You hear me? Don't touch anything. I'll be right back. All right? Don't go anywhere. Don't touch anything. I'll be right back. You got it, Bubba? All right, send it on out there, Bubba. Come on, folks, scream at those alligators. No! We've got a traffic jam over here on Gooner's side. Oh my gosh, come on, Gators. Wow, uh-oh. Wow. That was very surprising. I tell you what, let's just move on to the next competition. Wow, that was a good jump. Let's just move on to the next competition and see what... Hey. Oh, I didn't. What's going on here?
Nothing. He cheated. He's went in the water when the alligator grabbed him and it just fell in.
You know what? It's getting your chicken down. What are you doing over? What are you doing to him?
He took a swing at me. I was just self-defense to myself.
Guys, knock it off. You guys are brothers. Start acting like brothers, all right? I know you would have won, but here we go. All right, I tell you what, let's just move on to the next competition, all right? Trivia. These folks ask questions every single day, so I'm going to ask you guys the most frequently asked question we get here at the park. Well, let me ask the question first. How do you know the answer to a question I haven't asked you?
Because this lady, you see this lady over here with the sunglasses on and the blue shirt?
That was pretty quick, Cooter. But remember, it's not speed. That was pretty good. That was a good target. Whoa! All right, you missed. Try it again. Just try it again. It's all right. If you got an extra piece of meat, try it again. Not bad. These folks want to see some jumps. There you go. Right down the hatch. Yeah, right there. There you go. Nothing but net. All right. How you doing over here there, Bubba? You got one, okay? I guess Bubba's side is just gonna be, guess they're just not loud enough over here on Bubba's side. What are you doing? I don't know, Bubba. I don't think they're interested in you. There you go, all right. All right, move on to your hot chickens there, Bubba. And folks, it ain't over. You guys got to keep screaming. Whoa! That was an awesome jump there, Peter. That was, oh, and I missed that jump there, Bubba. Come on, guys. Highest jump gets the job. Whoa! Great jump. All right, guys. Now, I didn't see all your jumps. You did a good job, but I didn't see every single one of your jumps.
1, 2, 3. All right. So here's our volunteer.
Wow. He ate it.
I'll throw in the middle.